Most traders lose money in Forex, not because the market is rigged, not because they lack indicators, but because they break three fundamental rules. Rules that every professional trader lives by. Rules that seem simple, but almost nobody follows consistently. Today, I'm breaking them all down. Stay until the end. Rule number 3 is the one most beginners completely ignore. Welcome back to the channel, where we talk real trading, no hype, no get-rich-quick nonsense. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button because we drop value every single week. Today's topic? The 3 golden rules of Forex trading. The ones experts quietly follow while beginners are busy chasing candles. Let's get into it. Golden rule number 1. Never risk more than 1 to 2% per trade. Let me ask you something. Have you ever gone all in on a trade, feeling absolutely certain, only to watch it blow up in your face? Yeah, we've all been there. Here's the truth. It's not about being right. It's about surviving long enough to be right consistently. Professional traders, hedge fund managers, prop firm traders, institutional desks, they all follow strict position sizing. The most common rule? Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your total account on a single trade. Let's do the math. Say you have a $1,000 account. 2% risk means you're only risking $20 per trade. That sounds tiny, right? But here's what that gives you. 50 losing trades before you blow the account. 50 chances to recover. 50 opportunities to learn. Now compare that to someone risking 20% per trade. 5 losses and they're done. Game over. The market doesn't care about your confidence level. Even the best setups fail. Risk management is not optional. It is the strategy. Actionable tip. Before entering any trade, calculate your lot size based on your stop-loss distance and your maximum risk percentage. Use a position size calculator. There are free ones online. Make this a non-negotiable habit. Golden rule number 2. Trade with the trend, not against it. You've heard it 1,000 times. The trend is your friend. And yet, traders keep fighting it. Why? Because humans are wired to spot reversals. We see a pair dropping hard and our brain screams, it has to go back up. That's called counter-trend bias, and it kills accounts. Here's how professionals think. The trend is the path of least resistance. When the market is in an uptrend, every pullback is a potential buy opportunity. When it's in a downtrend, every rally is a potential sell opportunity. They're not trying to catch the exact top or exact bottom. They're riding the wave that's already moving. Visual suggestion. Show a trending chart with clear higher highs and higher lows. How do you identify the trend? Simple framework. Higher highs and higher lows equals uptrend. Lower highs and lower lows equals downtrend. You can also use tools like the 200 EMA, exponential moving average, trend lines, market structure analysis. Pro tip: always check the higher time frame first. If you're trading the 15-minute chart, check the 4-hour and daily chart first. Trade in the direction of the higher time frame trend. This alone will dramatically improve your win rate. The market is not a puzzle to be solved, it's a wave to be surfed. Stop fighting it.
Golden rule number 3. Master your psychology. Your biggest enemy is in the mirror. This is the one nobody talks about enough. And it's the reason rule number 1 and rule number 2 even matter in the first place. You can have the best strategy in the world. Perfect entry, perfect stop loss, perfect take profit, and still you move your stop loss. You close early out of fear, Or you revenge trade after a loss. Sound familiar? Trading psychology is not soft advice. It is the foundation of everything. Let me give you the 3 most dangerous emotions in trading. Number 1, fear. Fear makes you exit winning trades too early, locking in tiny profits while leaving big moves on the table. Number 2, greed. Greed makes you hold trades too long, watching a winner turn into a loser or over-leverage because the last trade worked out. Number 3, revenge. After a bad loss, the urge to win it back immediately leads to impulsive trades, bigger position sizes, and usually bigger losses. So, how do expert traders handle this? They follow a trading plan every single time. A trading plan removes emotion from the equation. It defines what pairs you trade, what time of day you trade, what your entry conditions are, where your stop loss goes, where you take profit, how much you risk. When you have a plan, you don't decide in the moment. The moment of execution is just following instructions, like a surgeon following a procedure. One more thing, keep a trading journal. Write down every trade, why you entered, how you felt, what happened. Over time, patterns emerge. You'll start to see your own psychological triggers and fix them before they cost you more money. Recap. All right, let's bring it all together. The 3 golden rules of Forex trading that experts follow. Rule number 1, protect your capital. Never risk more than 1 to 2% per trade. Survival first, profit second. Rule number 2, trade with the trend. Use higher time frame analysis. The trend is your friend until it ends. Rule number 3, master your psychology. Build a trading plan, keep a journal, remove emotion from execution. These aren't flashy secrets. They're not a magic indicator. They're disciplined habits. And discipline is what separates consistent traders from gamblers. If this video brought you value, please give it a like. It genuinely helps the channel grow. Drop a comment below. Which of these 3 rules do you struggle with the most? I read every single one. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay disciplined. Trade smart. See you next week.